Good morning, this is Kristen Parkinson, and my business is Oopsie Daisy Designs by KP. My address is odd.bykp.com, and this is my logo that I have here. So what I do for my business is I sell a dress pattern, and eventually I'd like to add more dress patterns onto this, but the basic dress pattern that I sell is called the Ella dress, and I created this crochet blessing dress for my daughter's blessing day. And I really wanted something different that I'd never seen before, so I just sat down and started to create it. And this is a picture of the dress. And what I have for my business is you can go in and purchase the dress pattern. It's just through PayPal. It's $15. You just click buy now, and I email the dress in a PDF format to the email address through PayPal. Eventually, I think I would like to figure out how to maybe send a hard copy without having to store private user information such as their email address, anything payment address wise, and not having to store that information. But here's a picture of my daughter on her blessing day. Eventually, I would like to add a blog, and which is going to add more information about the dress or tutorials. I have pictures of additional dress designs and items that I can add on to the pattern. A couple different dress designs, all that fun stuff. And eventually I would like to add, again, like I said, tutorials on how to do it, but also do posts on products that I have used. And I'd like to reach out to places like Joann's and Michael's and Hobby Lobby and test out, their name brand or store brand yarn, and I would review it there and link it back to Hobby Lobby or Michael's and receive information like that. So the tools that I use for my site are my Google Ads campaign, which I still need to work on getting a whole lot more visitors to my site. This is a very specific item to sell. Maybe people aren't specifically looking for it, so I need to figure out better word usage to get more people to my site. And I've also been using Google Analytics to try and figure out who these types of people are that are coming to the site. One thing that I will add is a link to my Etsy site, which I have an Etsy site where they can purchase the dress already made. I'm not actually selling the pattern on Etsy. So people can go, if they like the idea of the pattern but aren't going to make it themselves, they can go to my Etsy shop and purchase it there. So I've used a couple different things for my business. It's been fun in this class getting to understand all the different methods and ideas that I need to use to create an online business. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.